Under normal conditions, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, and that's as hot as it's going to get. The same rule applies to the water that makes up most of our food. It can't get hotter than the boiling point. And this limits how quickly food can cook. A pressure cooker raises the speed limit. Liquid is placed inside the pot with food, sealed in by a specially designed lid, and heated to the boiling point. Trapped and unable to keep expanding, vapors build up the pressure inside the pot. When this builds up to the cooker's target pressure, usually about twice normal atmospheric pressure, excess vapor is allowed to escape. Because of the increased pressure, liquid water in the cooker will stay liquid at a higher temperature than its normal boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius. And not just the water around the food. The water molecules inside the food will also become hotter than they could under normal pressure. As a rule, for every 5 degrees Celsius that the temperature increases above 100, the cooking time is cut in half. So an increase in the water's boiling point of just 20 degrees Celsius accelerates cooking speed by up to 16 times. The pressurized cooking environment allows chefs to soften hard artichokes and legumes, quickly transform tough beef chuck into succulent pot roasts, and, in minutes, cook dishes that can take hours with traditional cooking methods. Once the food's finished, the cooker cools until the pressure returns to normal. Then it's time to taste the spectacular flavors that develop using this remarkable cooking method.